Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. This minimoto just arrived with only 2 miles on the odometer. Somebody bought it and put it in the garage. Well, now we've got it, so you can save big money off the price of a new one. Perfect condition, metallic gray finish, fuel injected, 4-speed, goes about 50-55 miles an hour. Probably get 100 miles per gallon. Only $33.99. This one's not going to be here long. We've got financing, we've got extended warranties. Come on by and check us out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.